3, 2, 1.
What is the only country with a square flag? The answer is A, Sweden. The Amazon River is in which country? The answer is B, Brazil. Which pop legend featured zombies in the video for his song Thriller? The answer is A, Michael Jackson. What is a tall, narrow cabinet for books or other items? The answer is B, hutch. What is the largest plane by wingspan, the Antonov An-225 named after? The answer is B, Antonov. Which one is not a type of dining chair? The answer is D, Berger. What kitchen appliance cooks food using hot air? The answer is A, stove. What is a collection of lymphatic tissue that combines with epithelial tissue lining the mucosa throughout the body? The answer is B, mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue molt. Which TV series follows the story of a high school in Litchfield? The answer is B, Orange is the New Black. Which chocolate bar features a yellow wrapper with a Mr. character on it? The answer is C, Mars. What does Sophie have tattooed on her arm in the 1983 Academy Award-winning movie Sophie's Choice? The answer is A, a number. What type of energy occurs by splitting the nuclei of radioactive uranium? The answer is D, nuclear. Who was the first winner of American Idol? The answer is C, Kelly Clarkson. What was the name of the church in which the boys in the movie Sleepers spent a lot of time as kids? The answer is D, Holy Angels. What do plants make to store extra glucose? The answer is A, starches. In which of these countries is Spanish not an official language? The answer is C, Brazil. From which part of the world does cucumber originate? The answer is B, India. Nearly how many millions of people die yearly due to air pollution? The answer is A, 5 million. If one misses the surf tide in the morning, will they get another chance? The answer is B, they are still in luck. What is the common term for animals in the phylum Porphyra? The answer is D. Sponges. Which Greek mathematician is known for his work on conic sections? The answer is B. Euclid. What successful novelist remarked, "Television is now so desperately hungry for material that they are scraping the top of the barrel"? The answer is D. Gore Vidal. What war began and ended in the month of September and lasted 6 years? The answer is D. WW2. What protects the scalp from ultraviolet light exposure and loss of body heat? The answer is B. Head hair. In Titanic, who played Jack Dawson? The answer is A. Leonardo DiCaprio. Who is the first person to break the 4-minute mile? The answer is A. Roger Bannister. Which trait do cows and grass have in common? The answer is B. They both are able to grow. Roundworms feed on various things, one of them being decaying organic matter. Doing this, they play an important role in what famous cycle? The answer is C. Carbon cycle. What coastal region of France has over 200,000 speakers of a Celtic language? The answer is B. Brittany. What is open at the beginning and end but closed in the middle? The answer is D. Umbrella. What does the Latin word spiro mean? The answer is D. Breathe. Which property of an element is determined by adding the number of protons and number of neutrons? The answer is A. Atomic mass. What fashion accessory did Audrey Hepburn popularize in the film Breakfast at Tiffany's? The answer is B. Sunglasses. What is the other? The answer is C. Connect 4. What is the name of a joint in which one bone rotates in relation to another bone? The answer is D. Pivot joint. A student is hiking through a forest taking pictures for science class. Which picture would most likely be used as an example of human impact on Earth? The answer is A. A trail built by cutting down trees. What is a bank's favorite drink? The answer is D. Deposits. The largest ant colony is located on the Ishikari coast of Hokkaido. Approximately how many ants are there in this colony? The answer is C. 300 million. A mighty civilization famous for its great pyramids and pharaohs. Who are they? The answer is D, Egyptians. K2, the world's second highest peak, is part of which mountain range? The answer is A, Himalayas. Which city is the capital of Sweden? The answer is B, Gothenburg. When cats mark their territory by rubbing their face against an object, they deposit chemicals released by what structures? The answer is D, scent glands. How many types of skin are there depending on skin's reaction to UV radiation? The answer is C, 6 types. What is the meaning of the names Paul, Paula, Paulina, Pablo, Paulo, Paulo? The answer is A, small, humble. What year was named by the United Nations as the Year of the Dolphin? The answer is B, 2007. Which process helps bacteria in the gut break down the remains of the digested food? The answer is A, fermentation. Which of these compounds is a strong acid? The answer is B, hydrochloric acid. Who directed the movie A Bronx Tale? The answer is B, Robert De Niro. The Amazon rainforest spans across which South American mountain range? The answer is A, Andes. In the movie Fletch Lives, on the flight to Louisiana, what Disney film does Fletch dream about?